everybody, welcome back. So I just want to go ahead and jump into this haul really quickly. It is a collective haul, so let's see what I end up picking up. So these were $19.99. This is gonna be a quick haul. Ross. I went shopping today. I'm always shopping, by the way. I don't know. But this time we were out and I decided to go ahead and shop for my son. So these jeans right here by Aeropostale, they're black and the style number is ADP93649, and these are 36 waist, 32 inches. This is how they look on the back. Okay, and this is the classic fit. So I end up getting these here. These are darker denim here, and these are DKNY, Donna Karan of New York, Mercer. Okay, and 36, 32, and these will be, let's look at the style number. Let's see. These are 98% cotton, 2% spandex. Okay, so this is how they look in the back. That's the tag, and these were $24.99. Okay, and these are like the, slimmer fit at the leg. So yeah, got that. And also these right here. My receipt just fell. This brand here, and the price for this one was $14.99. Okay, so these were my favorites, and the black ones. Okay, and this is how it looks in the back. So yeah, not because they were the most affordable, but those were the ones that I liked. And then end up picking up this dress. It's not really dressy, but yeah, this shirt right here, it was $9.99. It's nice and thin. As you know, it will be heating up. It's spring right now, but summer is fast approaching. And it was $9.99. Okay, so that's that. And then this belt right here by Perry Ellis was $8.99. So it's just a flat black, okay, and it's by the Perry Ellis brand. Also picked up some beach shoes. These are the body gloves right here. Okay, and they were $9.99. Also, now these are the things that I end up getting for myself. Okay, so these right here, collagen. Okay, and they were $6.99. I also end up getting this collagen right here for the skin by this brand right here. So I'm going to read everything and see what this, will do. So I hope all is well. This is a collective haul, and if you find any value in this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you like this type of content, go ahead and hit subscribe. Make sure that you visit this channel and my other channels that I have created And if it's something there that you like too as well, make sure that you go ahead and hit subscribe. Okay, so let's look at the receipt. All right, now let's look at the receipt. I ended up spending $113.45. Like I said, this time around, the shopping was not really for me, but I had to throw in those 2 items, okay, which was collagen. So I've already shared the prices. So here in California, sales tax is $10.25, okay, percent here in the state of California. That is the sales tax here, okay? So I still thought that was pretty good. And what I said before, like, I really need to start looking at these, you know, because sometimes they tell you that you could win a gift. If you see right here, it says you could win right there. So maybe I need to start looking into that. But that was Ross. Let's go ahead and jump into DD's. And I do have a Dollar Tree I'm going to share. So DD's, yes. Let's look at it. I finally found me another fanny pack. Okay. And this one, I believe, is genuine leather too, as well as my other one is old. It's kind of busted or whatever, so it's kind of busted, but that's okay. It was only $5.99, and I love these compartments right here. So you have something small that you need to fit in there, it fits. Then it also has zippers, okay? So you will be able to open this one and put something in here. Then it also has a compartment here, so it's even wider. This time around, there is no third, but that's okay. So I'll just be putting things in here. And then also around the back, there is another compartment. So yes, and then you also know that you can just move it and then, you know, put it on crossbody too as well. But this is so handy and nifty because you have a pen, you want to get to your change, your money, you just, you know, and it's secure too. So that's why I like this. Any little things, gloves or anything, you could just pull them right out and get to them. Now, these are Reeboks, okay? Now, I was the girl that had the Reeboks with the leather bomber, you know, that was my look in the 80s, okay? Adidas and, you know, Adidas, that was my whole look with the Filas. So these are Reeboks here, very, very nice, okay? I like the brown on the soles. I think that is so cool when the colorway, when they have black, white, and then that touch of like peanut butter sole. I like that. It just looks so, I don't know. It just, yeah, this was a nice design by Reebok. So yeah, got those. And then more pillows. It is that time, okay? And these were only $9.99 right here, okay? $9.99. So that price was very, very affordable, and you got 2 of them. So it's basically you're only paying $5 for each pillow, basically, okay? Okay, so yes, these were very affordable. Now, I have a plan for them. I'm going to share with you what I'm going to do now. On the last haul, I ended up finding this one, and it was only $1.49. Okay, so I was thinking, you know, the wheels were, turning or whatever, and light bulb, ding, 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 it went off, and I was just like, oh my goodness, let me just go ahead and find something to do with this. Okay, so that's exactly what I did. So that's exactly what I did, and I thought of an idea, and I said, you know what, the next time I go, I was gonna go ahead and grab some more, because I was just like, I didn't know, but yeah, I'm so glad I thought of this, because I was thinking, I was like, you can do so many multiple things with these, so that's what I did. I was like, let me grab some more. So look, same company here, same company, right? But look at the price. So now it just looks very cohesive, right? It just looks very cohesive. So not one, not two. There's another one. Now $3.99. That's a very, 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 very good deal to me. Okay, very good deal. Very good deal. So you know how you're in the stores and you're just like, sometimes you just can't let opportunity pass you by. You just want to grab them. Okay, so that's exactly what I did. Now, this one was on clearance. Okay, so I don't know why. Maybe it wasn't selling, but it was only $2.99. Okay, so let's round it up. $1.50. Okay, what? 4 and 4, that's 8. Okay, $9.50. And then 3, that's $12.50. And I had to do one big one. Okay, yes, one big one. I had to do it too. And this one was $6.99. Okay, so you know, you just kind of like, I'm in a, you know, just kind of want to, you know, vamp it up a bit. Okay, just try to stay tidy and organized as much as possible, since, you know, it's a part of my duty. It's just what I do. Okay, so let me share with you what I end up getting too as a gift. See this big coat right here? This is a lady's Stratus light jacket. So I did wanted to share this. So I'm going to store this away. This is another gift to me by my mom. And it says that it's insulated and made from recycled plastic bottles. So look at that. Okay, can you see that tag? It says it right there. Yes, recycled plastic bottles. Okay, so I do want to keep it intact, and so I will revisit this coat when it starts to get cold. And it has like the faux fur, okay, because we do faux fur around here. So yeah, this is faux. Okay, it's not real, it's faux. Okay, meaning faux, F-A-U-X. Did I spell that correctly? Okay, F-U-A-X, faux, however, but it's just stating that it comes from man-made fibers. It is not real animal product. It's not real animal hair. It's fake, basically, okay? Just to make it in layman's terms, it's not real, it's fake. So yeah, the fur is fake, and then it has these buttons here, and the color is olive vine. And the company is called Free Country. Okay? Yes, these are the tags that are right here. So it says Free Country. So yeah. And we're about to head over so I can go ahead and share with you the rest of this haul, because it's a Dollar Tree. So stay tuned. All right, so let's jump into this haul. I have some pancake mix. I have some Dove soap. I have some Trident gum, extra gum. I have some Act popcorn. Okay, I have some mouthwash, some tortilla corn chips. Okay, and I did pick up some sweet brown sugar barbecue sauce. Okay, so I also end up picking up some ink pens, some nacho cheese sauce, some rotel dip, some black socks, and some vanilla icing. Yeah, so that is the Dollar Tree haul. Now, we just got through from looking at these, so this is what I'm going to do, and they are extremely brilliant for this. I'm so glad that I picked them up. They were also affordable, so I'm like, okay,
it's a little bit more cleaner, so I like it. And yeah, now I can see everything when it comes to cooking. So I think that the acrylic trays are excellent. This is how it looks. And yeah, so if you want to implement or incorporate this idea, I think it was great. So I'm going to get on out of here. I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free and you're doing the things that you love to do. Stay tuned for the next video. Check the description box and check out the cards. See you soon.